Kuki militants from Sangaren village, Pokpi Uyokching, Thamnapokpi Uyokching opened fire on the Meitei villages of Sabungkhok, Khunou and Thamnapokpi in Lamlai Assembly constituency of Imphal East District yesterday at around 7:20 p.m. Local volunteers retaliated with gunfire, resulting in an exchange of fire between both sides. Chongtham Hemba from Sabungkhok, Khunou reported that since early morning, Kuki militants had verbally harassed villagers working in the fields and threatened them to vacate the area. As the sun began to set, the militants fired multiple rounds and launched an attack. Hemba expressed concerns that such incidents in the hilly areas would severely impact agricultural activities.
Aikoy ayuktagi Kuki leriba singhong kitang labuk mayay na thabak suba changubani law suba adu ayuktagi akam pya sijanadana laudana sum leibadagi mayam je thongnare hojik pung ngaram gi ahum mari numita ko ye dai dagi nomai ka papuduna hojik su kapi masi aikoy law uba jenga moidori yaragadi police sing natragana state force sing phajana marang kaina ngapi dragadi law uba je kamai udoino masi wahang mo weji